Today, we are going to explore a fascinating science experiment that demonstrates the power of air pressure. We are going to stick a glass to a plate and lift milk with it. First, we light the alcohol, which heats the air inside the glass, causing it to expand. When we place the glass on the plate, the air inside cools and contracts, creating a vacuum. Right? The outside air pressure is now greater than the pressure inside the glass, pushing the glass onto the plate, creating a seal, right? As we lift the glass, the vacuum inside sucks the milk from the plate up into the glass. Right, guys? Okay, so this phenomenon is a result of the pressure difference between the inside and outside of the glass. Right? The pressure difference is so strong that it can hold the milk in place even when we lift the glass. So, guys, to release the milk, we simply need to break the seal by sliding a knife or a thin object under the edge of the glass. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand this clear physics. Let's create a density column with oil, water, and a vitamin C tablet. Okay? Fill a cup with oil and then slowly pour water in it. The oil floats on the water because it is less dense. Okay? Now, add a vitamin C tablet and just watch what happens. Awesome, right? This is so cool. The vitamin C tablet reacts with the water to produce carbon dioxide gas, creating bubbles. The bubbles get trapped in the water, making it denser and causing the oil to rise and fall in a cool, swirling motion, right? Try it and have fun with clear physics. In this experiment, we are exploring the chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is a base, while vinegar or acetic acid is an acid. When we mix them, they react to form carbon dioxide gas, water, and salt. The carbon dioxide builds up pressure, creating a fizzy explosion like a mini volcano eruption, right? This reaction demonstrates the power of chemical reactions and is a fun way to learn about chemistry. So you guys can go ahead, try it yourself, and see the science in action. Thank you guys for watching. Magnets have two poles, north and south, which generate a magnetic field. Opposite poles, north to south or south to north, attract each other, while same poles, north to north or south to south, repel. This is due to the magnetic field lines emerging from the North Pole and entering the South Pole. The interaction between these poles and their fields governs magnetic behavior, influencing other magnets or ferromagnetic materials. Magnetic fields are generated by the interaction of north and south poles. Opposite poles, north to south or south to north, attract, right? While the same poles, north to north or south to south, repel due to the orientation of magnetic field lines. Okay, guys? So, for example, north plus south equals love, right? It comes together. North plus north equals push. They go apart, right? It is as simple as that.